Is that all?
No.
Oh. Go up there. Oh God. Do your Irish. Good for you, Megs. I love when you do that. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, Megan. Oh my God. Did you just get hurt? Did you hear that though? It was really loud. What was that? Oh, oh.
That was just my love.
You all right?
That was my love. Hitting the floor. You can stop.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Sorry.